I'm not an amazing Excel user, but I use it all day, every day. And I use some really large spreadsheets just to run our business, as pretty much probably everybody does. There are times when I'm like, you know what? I would love to know how to make a formula, but it's just kind of above my knowledge base at the time. What I typically do is what everybody does is I go to YouTube and I watch some videos. Probably get close to what I need by doing that, but I waste a lot of time. And sometimes I go down a rabbit hole that leads to nowhere. So that's where Excel Formula Bot comes in. This is Excel Formula Bot. If you do not pay for it, you get 5 uses a month, which for the average user is probably more than enough. I probably don't create more than 5 Excel formulas a month, but I used it enough that I was like, you know what, it's $2.99 a month, and so I subscribed to it. First of all, you can use Excel or you can use Google Sheets, so that's kind of cool. Then you can do one of 2 ways. You can either generate one from English to Excel formula, or you can take an Excel formula in and you can click explain and it will tell you what it's doing. So I have a big depreciation schedule for a bunch of our hardware that we have here. And basically after 5 years, I want things to fall off of it because we fully depreciated it. So I want the total of column E if the date in column G is greater than 5 years old. I'm gonna click it. It's gonna take a couple seconds. It's gonna think about it. Pretty simple formula. Now, what I typically have to do from here is I go in and I'll take this formula and put it into Excel. And I don't really want all of column E. So I really want column E2 to maybe column E300. I will go and just change that up when I go into Excel and put that in there. Now also, if I get this formula and I want to tweak it, now I can take some ifs and put that into YouTube, and I'll really learn a lot about some ifs or today or whatever commands it gives me. So that's really awesome. Now I can take this same formula, paste in here, and I can go explain from this formula and click submit. Amazing. Awesome. Exactly what I wanted to understand. This is a simple one, and probably for most people, I don't think you probably need to pay, but if you are an intermediate user, I think this is worth its weight in gold, and I couldn't recommend it more. It's awesome. I really like it. If you found this video of value, hit the like and subscribe buttons, and also check out the other content on your screen. If you're a small business owner and are looking for a managed service provider, go to www.dpctechnology.com and fill out the Contact Us form. We'd love to have a conversation. Otherwise, we'll see you guys in the next video.